Hello friends. Today we will discuss on how to improve the battery life of a PC, which no one generally talks about. Everyone is concerned about improving the battery life of a smartphone or tablet, etc. But today we will be discussing on a PC battery, how we can get more and more out of this battery. So now you can see my battery is at 80%. Generally there are four modes while it is not charging. So the first one is the battery saver or the economic mode, which is the best battery life. I prefer this mode when my battery life goes down to 30% or below. Otherwise, this is my preference when I have the normal battery life. But if you are doing something hard task, I mean heavy task you are doing, then you should be on better performance mode. Here you will be getting the more CPU usage, more better performance you will be getting. So usually I toggle between these two modes. As I am not a gamer or not a very heavy tasker, so I don't use this one, this best performance mode. This is actually uses the best graphics, best performance out of your system. So this one I never use actually. So I toggle between these two. So now let's go to battery settings. Here you can see which are the apps that are using your battery life or eating up your battery juice. So let's go inside. We will be seeing for last 24 hours in a descending order. See, Google Chrome, Windows Explorer. These are the common apps that I am using frequently, so those are here. One thing to remember is like never install the unnecessary apps to your PC. They will be consuming your system, your memory, etc. Also they will be creating the cache memory, which will be wasting your storage. So no need to, if you are not using the apps, no need to install them. So you can see like 1 week. See, again the same ones. These are the common things I use actually in a regular basis. See, again those same things. So now I think you have understood in which mode you have to be in. Like this you can toggle. This is the eco mode. Again I will repeat, this is the eco mode where you will be getting most out of your battery life. So prefer this mode on a normal day usage. Thank you guys.